Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can fix your KakaoTalk login problem. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First of all, go ahead and open your KakaoTalk, and I'm about to show you what the problem is gonna look like. So once you have entered your email up here and then your password down below, once you have entered your password, when you click on login, it basically tells you to check your Kakao account or password and try again. And even though my account is there, it will simply just say that again and again. So basically go to settings, and then finally go scroll down into apps and notifications. And finally, once you have done that, go ahead and open your Kakao app up here, which is recently opened, or simply click on see all apps and then scroll down until you find Kakao application. Finally, once you have done that, go ahead and force stop the application and go into the storage and cache and simply clear the cache and the storage. Finally, once you have done that, go ahead and open your Kakao app and try logging back in. It should definitely work. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.